Hello, welcome to Water Sign Philippines. So, reading po ito for water sign. Wait lang guys, medyo ayusin ko lang ang aking camera. Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe sa aking channel, pa-hit na lang ng subscribe button, notification bell. Ma-appreciate ko po lahat ng likes, comments, and shares. If you want, pwede ka rin magpa-personal reading kay Jing Tarot Reader. Friend ko yun guys, hindi ako yun. Open siya sa personal reading. And, yeah. Meron akong TikTok, Unicorn Princess Tarot. Please do check it out. Okay? Kung gusto mong magpa-palm reading sa akin, pwede naman yon. Kung mag-avail ka ng mga crystal bracelets ko na binibenta doon sa akin TikTok shop. Ito yung mga example nun. Yan. Anyway, let's start your reading, water sign. This is for water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, for water sign. For water sign. For water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Water sign. Do I have here the Ten of Wands? May nabas pang dalawa dito. Death card, the Ace of Coins. Ayan. And Judgment. Okay. Wow. A lot of money is coming here for you, water sign. Ang dami. Kaya lang marami ka responsibilidad. I can see a new beginning for you when it comes to your money, finances. But, you know, kung ano man yung mga dapat mag-end, there's definitely an ending and mag-end yun. And there's this big amount of money naghihintay para sa'yo. For some of you, I can see you moving out. So, maybe may paglilipat, may pag-alis. But definitely with the Nine of Coins, this is for the better. This is for you para mas dumami pa yung iyong finances. Maybe doon sa paglilipatan mo, mas malaki ang kikitain mo and there's a lot of potential there. I can see na medyo magiging mahirap para sa'yo or malungkot sa simula because you feel like you are unwelcome and you feel like maraming pagbabago. Ayan, but you know, this is like kailangan yung mga pagbabagong na yon para mas makapag-move forward ka. And you have to embrace changes, you know. Yung changes kasi kailangan talaga yun eh. Kailangan talaga yun sa buhay ng tao. Para mas mag-grow ka pa. I can see growth definitely sa kung alin man itong paglilipatan or pupuntahan mo. There's a lot of growth. Lalo na financially. So, napakaganda nito para sa'yo. Tell me more for water sign, please. For water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. For water sign. One more card. Okay. You have the Four of Swords. Okay. Eight of Coins. Yeah, may mga taong tutulong sa'yo para mas ma-accomplish mo or mas marating mo yung success and growth para sa'yo. Money is good. Definitely. Money is good. Pero with the Ten of Cups, this is in reverse. Usaping love, hindi masyadong maganda. Be careful. Be careful. Kasi pwedeng mapunta ka sa isang relationship or isang koneksyon na parang ikaw ay maaabuso. Or might be, kung hindi man ganun ang sitwasyon, if you are in a happy relationship, pwedeng hindi stable yung kalabasan nitong person na ito na pwedeng, sa ngayon na pwedeng mapunta ka sa person na hindi stable. And then, might be you are the one na mas bibigay dito sa connection ninyo or sa mga kailanganin ninyo financially. This person is happy with your success and nakikita na natin na nandyan lagi siya para sa'yo. I feel like I can see a lot of pagod sa'yo mentally, physically. So, take care of your health. High chance of you na magkaroon ng mga sakit. High chance sa'yo na magkaroon ng, I don't know, I feel like may kinalaman sa stress. So, be careful. And yeah, there's definitely a new beginning for you with the Fool. May new beginning na naghihintay para sa'yo. Wait lang guys, nalaglag yung mga cards. For water sign, please. For water sign, please. Nakakita ko ng promotion, nakakita ko dito ng someone here will have a lot of achievements. Nine of Swords is here. Let me clarify this. Nine of Swords and the Ace of Wands, the Star is here. I don't know, this could be the person na pwedeng kakonect mo dito na parang hindi siya nagiging satisfied sa mga performance or sa mga nangyayari sa kanya. I can see a person who is feeling hopeless. Yan. So, nagkakaroon ng new direction ang pamumuhay ninyo or ang connection or ang career ninyo. Pero yung sa'yo kasi nag-grow, sa kanya nakikita natin medyo hindi. So, I feel like you are being in the spotlight here in your future. Regarding dun sa person mo, nandyan siya, and I can see a lot of struggle sa taong ito. And, maybe if some of you, no, pwedeng may mga bisyo na kailangan tanggalin. Kung hindi man ikaw might be your person. I can see a person na very matalino, and that could be the person nakakonect mo. So, ito yung nagiging dahilan ko bakit lalo siya nadidepress. Kasi matalino siya, magaling siya, pero bakit ganun pagdating sa mga trabaho or sa career nagkakaroon ng mga bad news sa kanya? Maybe hindi masyadong nailalabas yung kanyang creativity, yung kanyang galing, or medyo minamalas-malas lang talaga, no? I feel like may magiging breakthrough din naman itong person na ito, pero kailangan niya munang ayusin yung kanyang resources, and I feel like kailangan niyang iset ang kanyang priorities ng maayos, okay? I feel like this person is a friend na, so kung may relationship, yung iba sa inyo, this is a relationship, yung iba, this could be a friend na parang medyo nawawalan-wala ng pag-asa dito, nagkakaroon ng problema with regard sa kanyang pera, but I know that you are always there para sa taong ito. And yeah, tell me more. Yeah, Seven of Cups is here. The Tower. I feel like there's something here na kailangan i-end. And what is that? Yeah, maybe regarding negativity. Alam mo kasi, ito. Guys. Three of Swords is here. Overcoming grief. Closure, forgiveness. Whatever happened in the past. I mean, yung iba sa inyo, this is an advice for your person or for your friend. Pero, might be, yung iba kasi reversal lang reading, this could be you. So, anong ibig sabihin? This is an advice, actually. The more na nag-isip ka ng negatibo, the more na parang feeling mo yung mga nakaraan, parang minamalas-malas ka, or this could be your friend, no, na parang minamalas-malas. And, kinontinue yung pag-iisip ng ganun. Guys, like attract likes. Meron tayong ganun. Kung ano yung mga ina-attract mo, kung ano yung mga nasa isip mo, yun yung na-attract mo. So, if you're thinking negativity, negative vibes, maaaring high chance maging negative din ang resulta para sa'yo. Nagigets mo? So, if you are thinking positive lang, hindi matatanggap ako sa trabahong 'to, hindi magkakaroon ako ng promotion, or hindi magiging magandang resulta nitong pag-a-apply ko, etc. Magiging maganda, trust me, magiging maganda talaga 'yan basta maniwala ka lang na maa-achieve mo yung bagay na 'yan. But if you think na, naku, parang hindi naging maganda yung performance ko kanina, or nandun ka pa lang sa interview, naku, parang hindi magiging maganda yung performance ko mamaya sa interview kasi parang pagising ko pa lang hindi na maganda yung araw ko, baka mamaya pagdating dito hindi pa rin maging maganda. So yung gano'n, nakaka-attract yun ng negativity, and high chance na talagang maging malasin lang din talaga ang resulta para sa'yo dahil yun na rin yung in-attract mo. So mas maganda mag-isip ka lang ng mag-isip ng positivity, and eventually lalabas din or maisa sa buhay mo rin ito. So that is actually an advice for you para ma-attract mo yung swerte para sa'yo. And regarding, yeah, that person, kung kilala mo itong taong 'to, high chance na, I know, actually, mas maganda kung sasabihin mo sa kanya yung mga sinabi ko para yun yung pinaka-advice na kailangan niya. Okay? Kailangan niya talagang i-attract yung swerte. Okay? So, thank you for watching, guys. I love you all, and bye-bye.